Lesson 5, Let's Create a Basketball Game. Part 1. First, look at the program you will create in this lesson.
Nice shot.
In this lesson, we'll learn about control blocks. Tap the cat icon to open ScratchJr. After the home screen opens, tap the plus button. When the ScratchJr project opens, let's change the stage background. First, tap the Change Background button on top of the screen. Select the gym background. Tap the tick mark in the upper right corner of the screen. When the stage background has changed to the gym background, let's add a basketball character. Tap the plus sign in the upper left corner of the screen. Select the basketball character. Tap the tick mark in the upper right corner of the screen. Once the basketball character is added to the stage, drag the cat on the stage and move it to the left. Move the basketball to the left as well to the front of the cat. Once you have moved the cat and the basketball, let's start programming. I'll show you how to program the cat to dribble the ball when you tap the green flag, so pay attention to me. Since we want to create a program of the cat character, tap the thumbnail of the cat character on the left side of the screen. When you select the thumbnail of the cat character, the cat symbol will appear in the programming area. Now, let's create a program for the cat character. Tap the yellow block in the block categories. The blocks in the blocks palette will be replaced by yellow blocks. Blocks with this shape are called triggering blocks. It tells you the trigger for running the program. This time, place the Start on Green flag block in the programming area. Next, tap the blue block in the block categories. The blocks in the blocks palette will be replaced by blue blocks. Blue blocks can be used to program characters to move, rotate, and jump. Attach this Move Right block next to the Start on Green flag block. Next, tap the red block in the block categories. The blocks in the blocks palette will be replaced by red blocks. Attach this Repeat Forever block next to the Move Right block. This Repeat Forever block can repeat the blocks between the triggering block and the Repeat Forever block forever. By this program, when you tap the green flag, the cat will keep moving to the right. Next, let's program the basketball. First, tap the thumbnail of the basketball character on the left side of the screen. After making sure that the basketball symbol has appeared in the programming area, let's start programming the basketball. Tap the yellow block in the block categories. Place two Start on Green flag blocks in the programming area. I'll later explain why we need two Start on Green flag blocks. Next, tap the blue block in the block categories. Attach the hop block next to the start on green flag block. This time, since we want to make the cat look like it is dribbling the basketball, tap the number below the hop block. Change 2 to -2. If you want to make a number negative, tap this button and then tap the number. Next, tap the red block in the block categories. Attach this repeat forever block next to the hop block. Once you have finished this step, tap the green flag to check if the program works correctly. Huh? The basketball moves like bouncing, but it still keeps moving in the same place. Let's make the basketball move to the right with the cat. First, let's stop the program by tapping the stop button on the upper right corner of the stage. Tap the blue block in the block categories. To make it move to the right while bouncing, we'll use this move right block. Attach the move right block between the hop block and the repeat forever block. Tap the green flag to check the program. Basketball moved a little to the right, but the cat was faster, and it didn't look like a dribbling move. Rather than putting this move right block here, let's attach it to another start on green flag block. Then, tap on the red block in the block categories. Attach this repeat forever block next to the move right block. When you tap the green flag in the upper right corner of the stage, these two programs are run at the same time. The basketball should bounce and move to the right at the same speed as the cat. Tap the character reset button in the upper right corner of the stage to return the cat and the basketball back to where they were. Then tap the green flag to see if the program works correctly. Yes, the cat dribbled the basketball. Now, let's try programming by yourself. Programming time. Stop the video and take your time to create your own program. Lesson 5, Let's create a basketball game. Part 2. Did you manage to create a program in which, when you tap the green flag, the cat starts dribbling the basketball? Next, I'll show you how to make the cat on the stage shoot the basketball when we tap the cat. So pay attention to me. First, tap the thumbnail of the cat character on the left side of the screen. After making sure that the cat symbol has appeared in the programming area, tap the yellow block in the block categories. Place the Start on Tap block in the programming area. To make the basketball move like a shot when we tap the cat, attach this Send Orange message block next to the Start on Tap block. With this program, when you tap the cat an orange message will be sent. So by programming the basketball to move like a shot, when it receives the orange message, the cat will shoot the basketball when we tap the cat. Now, tap the thumbnail of the basketball character on the left side of the screen. After making sure that the basketball symbol has appeared in the programming area, let's add a program of shot to the basketball. Tap the yellow block in the block categories. Place 2 start on orange message blocks in the programming area. Since we want the basketball to move diagonally rather than vertically, we will use these 2 triggering blocks. Tap the blue block in the block categories. Attach the hop block next to one of the start on orange message block. Change the number under the hop block to 8. Then, attach the move right block next to another start on orange message block. Change the number under the move right block to 2. Once you have finished this step, tap the Reset Character button to put the cat and the basketball back to where they were. Tap the green flag and then the cat on the stage to see if the program works correctly. Huh? Although the cat shot the basketball when we tap the cat, the basketball keeps dribbling even after the shot. Tap the stop button in the upper right corner of the stage to stop the program from running. The reason why basketball kept dribbling is because these 2 programs kept running even after the shot. Next, I'll show you how to stop the program when the shot is finished. So pay attention to me. Tap the orange block in the block categories. The blocks in the blocks palette will change to orange blocks. Orange blocks can stop the program from running, change the speed of the character's movement, and run the program repeatedly. This block stops the program from running for the time of the number. This block stops the program of the character. This block can change the speed of the character's movement. This block repeats the programs put inside the block the number of times. This time we will use the stop block. Attach the stop block next to the hop block of 8 squares. With this program, after the jump of the 8 squares is run, the stop block will run. Then these 2 programs, which have been kept running, will be stopped. In other words, the basketball will no longer continue to dribble after the shot. Once you have finished this step, tap the Reset Characters button to return the cat and the basketball back to where they were. Tap the green flag and then the cat on the stage to see if the program works correctly. Although the basketball stopped moving after the shot, the cat keeps moving. Let's program the cat to stop moving after the shot. Tap the thumbnail of the cat character on the left side of the screen. After making sure that the cat symbol has appeared in the programming area, put the stop block between the start on tap block and the send orange message block. Now, when you tap the cat, the stop block will be run. Then this program, which keeps running, will be stopped. In other words, the cat will stop moving right before shooting. Once you have finished this step, tap the Reset Character button. Tap the green flag and then the cat on the stage to see if the program works correctly. Yes. You have completed the program to make the cat shoot the basketball. Now, let's try programming by yourself. Programming time. Stop the video and take your time to create your own program. Lesson 5, Let's create a basketball game. Part 3. Did you manage to create a program in which the cat shoots the basketball when tapped? Next, I'll explain how to program the basketball to say nice shot when it touches the hoop. So pay attention to me. Since there's no character of the basketball hoop, let's add a star character for judging the shot. Tap the plus sign on the left side of the screen. Select the star character. Tap the tick mark in the upper right corner of the screen. When the star character is added on the stage, drag the star on the stage and move it around the basketball hoop. It seems we can create a game by making the shot succeeded when the basketball hits this star. After making sure that the thumbnail of the star character is selected, let's start programming the star. First, tap the yellow block in the block categories. Place the Start on Touch block in the programming area. Next, let's record a voice saying nice shot. Tap the green block in the block categories. The blocks in the blocks palette will change to green blocks. Tap the microphone symbol on the blocks palette to record your voice. Tap the red button to start recording and tap the stop button to stop recording. Nice shot. When you've finished recording, tap the play button to check if the recording is done correctly. Nice shot. If you want to record your voice again, tap the record button once again to redo the recording. When you have finished recording, tap the tick mark. The Play Recorded Sound block has been added to the Blocks palette. Attach the Play Recorded Sound block next to the triggering block. Once you have finished this step, tap the Reset Character button. Tap the green flag and then the cat on the stage to see if the program works correctly. Nice shot. Yes. When the basketball hit the hoop, we could hear the voice nice shot. You have completed the basketball game. Now, let's try programming by yourself. Programming time. Stop the video and take your time to create your own program. Lesson 5, Let's create a basketball game. Part 4. Once you have created your program, let's show it to your friends. It is good to see your friends' programs and to listen to their opinions. Look at other programs I created, too. This is a program in which, when you tap the cat, it moves to the right and shoot a soccer ball. When the ball hits the soccer net, a word goal will be shown in a speech balloon. This is a program of the cat. When you tap the cat on the stage, it moves 5 squares to the right. This is a program of the soccer ball. When it bumps into another character, it keeps moving 1 square to the right. Forever. When it bumps into another character, it also keeps rotating by 1. Forever. When it bumps into another character, it speeds up. When it receives an orange message, the programs of the soccer ball character will be stopped. This is a program of the soccer net. When it hits another character, it sends an orange message and shows a word goal in a speech bubble. This is a game in which, when you tap the flag, the cat starts moving. And when you tap the cat, it shoots a basketball. And when the ball hits the hoop, the words "nice shot" is shown. And when the cat fails the shot, a word "failed" is shown in a speech bubble. This is a program of the cat. When you tap the green flag, it keeps moving 1 square to the right. Forever. When you tap the cat, the programs of the cat character are stopped, and the orange message is sent. This is a program of the basketball program. When you tap the green flag, it keeps running the hop block of -2. Forever. When you tap the green flag, it also keeps moving 1 square to the right. Forever. When it receives an orange message, it jumps 8 squares high. And the programs of the basketball character are stopped. And a word "failed" is shown in a speech bubble. When it receives the orange message, it also moves 3 squares to the right. When it receives a red message, the programs of the basketball character are stopped. This is a program of the star. When it bumps into another character, it sends a red message and shows the word "nice shot" in a speech bubble. This is a program of a timer of 12 seconds. This is a program of the timer character. When you tap the green flag, it stops the program for a second, rotates by 1, repeats these blocks 12 times, and shows the words 12 seconds has passed in a speech bubble. I drew the timer character by myself. This is a program of the timer of 15 seconds. This is a program of a triangular character. When you tap the green flag, it stops the program for a second, moves one square to the right, repeats these blocks 15 times. I drew the triangular character by myself. This is the program of the sun. When it bumps into another character, it shows the words 15 seconds has passed in a speech bubble. I hope you found my programs useful. If you want to fix your program, please continue programming. Try to program by combining the control blocks that we learned today. The motion blocks that we learned in the lesson 1. The looks blocks that we learned in the lesson 2. The triggering blocks that we learned in the lesson 3. And the play recorded sound block that we learned in the lesson 4. Programming time. Stop the video and take your time to create your own program. Lesson 5, Let's create a basketball game. Part 5. Now that the program is complete, let's make a presentation. I'll be the first to present, so pay attention to me. When you run the program for a presentation, tap the presentation mode button at the top of the screen to show the program in a larger size. I'm Kipro. I'm going to make a presentation. I created a program in which a cat shoots a soccer ball when tapped. I'll run the program. Do you have any questions?
Why did you use the orange message block?
Let's remove the orange message blocks and run the program. I'm going to delete the start on orange message block from the program of the soccer ball. Next, I'm going to remove the send orange message block from the program of the soccer net. After tapping the Reset Characters button, tap the cat on the stage. As you have seen, after the soccer ball hits the soccer net, if the orange message isn't sent to the soccer ball and the stop block isn't run, even after the soccer ball hits the soccer net, these two programs keep running and the soccer ball keeps moving. Thus, when the soccer ball hits the soccer net, I program so that the soccer net sends the orange message. And when the soccer ball receives the orange message, it stops these two programs from running. That's all for my presentation. Please try to make a presentation like this. In a presentation, say your name first. Say the title of the program. Run the program. Ask if there are any questions. Answer questions if there are any. Finally, say that's all for my presentation. If you have a question, please raise your hand before you start talking. If you don't have any question, tell your friends what you liked about the program. Presentation time. Stop the video and let's make a presentation with your program. For children who are not confident enough to give a presentation, a teacher can do so instead or together with them. You are amazing. After the presentation, the lesson on Let's Create a Basketball Game is over.